What? Want to play music on your website? Want to play videos in your website? So welcome to my Tech channel, friends. My name is Prince, and in this tutorial we will study about audio tag and video tag in HTML. That is how to create audio player in HTML and how to create video player in our HTML website. Okay, so friends, before starting I want to tell you, if you are new in my YouTube channel, then you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that the notification of my all the latest videos will show the notification bar of your mobile phones. So let us start, friends. So friends, first of all, this is very simple, friends. This is very simple topic. So first of all, we want to create a audio tag, audio player in our HTML web page. So to create that, we have to write the audio tag in our between our body section. So let us write here audio tag and then the close of that audio tag. Why? Because in HTML, if you open any tag, then you must have to close that tag. So that we have closed the audio tag. Now you know that in an audio player there are many controls like volume control, okay, play and pause controls, drag and drop controls. So many controls are there. So that in this HTML audio tag there are many controls. So we have to give here the property, that is controls, that is property of the audio, that is controls. Okay friends, so that it can take the all the controls which it has. Okay, so now what is next? We want to play the audio song, audio music in our website. So to play that audio music, we have to find out that where is our audio music located. So we have to give the source, we have to give the path to that audio player of our music. So let us give it the source and then source, source, and then src equals to, in double quotes, we have to give the path of that music which we want to play in that audio player. So we have to find that music path. So you can see here that in my E drive, okay, in my E drive there is a file audio. You can see here, friends, this is our audio file of named audio1. Okay, so this is our .mp3 extensor file, means it is a music, it is a song file. So we want to play that audio1 file to our that audio player. So how to play that? First of all, we have to copy the path of that audio1 file. So this is in the E drive. Okay, this is in the E drive. So we have to click here and then the copy the path. So we have to click here, Control plus C, copy the path, and then paste it in our source. That is paste it, Control plus V. And then now after that, give the name of that audio. So name of that audio was audio1. Okay, name of the audio is audio1, and then .mp3. Okay friends, .mp3 is the extension of that audio. Okay, so now that close. Okay, so now Control plus S. Now I'm going to open that. So you can see here it is in the G drive, my HTML named folder, and this. Okay, so it is opening. So you can see here that audio file has been audio player has been created. So let us change the background color so that it look good. So let us change body background color. So BG color, let us give it blue. Okay, Control S, Control R. Now you can see here that our audio player has been created. Okay, so this has a play and pause button and the volume silent button, and this is the timing increasing okay button. Now let us play it from here. Now you can see here that the music is playing. Okay friends, you may not it may not be audible to you, but it is playing, friends. And you can silent that music, okay, totally zero, and then you can stop that music from there. Okay, so this is the audio tag. You can create multiple audio tags. Okay friends, multiple audio tags, but we will not study about that how to create multiple audio tags and how to adjust these audio tags, because you can adjust the audio and video players by the use of div tag. So that if you don't know the knowledge of div tag, then you can visit my previous lecture, that is basic of div tag. That is the most important topic of HTML, friends. Okay, so let us create another video tag. So to create the video tag, what I have to do, just remove that, simply give here the video tag, and then the source is equals to, give here the name of that video, that is the path of that video. So let us find the path of that video. So our video is in the D drive also, and you can see here that this is our there are our two video files, that is named video1 and the video2. Okay, so these are of mp4 extension. You know that videos are of mp4 extension, depend upon that. So you have to simply give here the path, that is Control plus C, simply just as we done in our previous step. Now paste, and then the name of that video, that is video 1.mp4, because it is of .mp4 extension. Okay, it can be of any extension, but mostly it is of .mp4. Now what I have to do, we have to close that video tab, friends. Okay, now sorry, we have to give here the controls. Let us cut it, controls, friends, and let us give it the source, and source is equals to paste it, remove that type, we don't need to give it. Okay, so we have done our step. So this is our source we have given in this video tag, that is source src is equals to the path of that video, okay, that we want to play. So now control plus S, and then now control plus R. Now you can see here that the video player has been created, friends. Okay, you can play video by clicking here, the video is playing. It may not be audible to you but it is playing. Okay, you can pause that video from there and play that video, and you can silence the volume of that video, and then also, and you can also give it the full screen to the video, that is from here in the corner. You can see that this video is in the full screen now, and you can also return to that. Okay, so many videos, and you can create so many video plays from there and there also, and there and there also. You can set the width and height of the video. So to set the width and height, you have to give here the width. Let us give it 320, and then let us give it a height. Height is also 320. Okay, control plus S, and now control plus R. You can see here that the width has been decreased. Its width is 320 and height is also 320. Okay, friends, so you can decrease and as you want. Okay, and you can create multiple videos. So let us create another. So to create another, let us copy paste it. Now copy it, and then paste it, and then give it the another source, that is video 2. You want to play another video, so now refresh it. Now you can see another video has been created. Okay, now you can see here you can play multiple videos simultaneously in this. Okay, you can see that 2 videos are playing together. Okay, you can see here you can control can increase the volume, and you can silence that, or that's it, give it to the full screen or return to the full screen. You can see here that multiple videos are playing. So similarly, you can create many of the websites. Okay, so let us create another. Just copy paste it. Just copy paste. Copy, and then paste it. Paste it. Paste it. Paste it. Control S. Control R. You can see that multiple videos. Let's paste another. Paste it. Paste it. Okay, you can see here. Now you can see here that there are multiple video players has been created in your website, friends. Okay, and these are automatically adjusted, because why they are most automatically adjusted, because we have set the width and height of the video players. Okay, so that it will be in the align format. Okay, and you can also use the div tag to adjust these by using the float property. You can use you can visit my previous lecture, that is the div tag, that is was the very most important. You can play many videos simultaneously. That's it. Also play that, also play that, play that, play that, play that, play that, play that. So friends, I'm listening too many numbers of songs. So friends, I want to pause that. So let us pause these videos. I was not able to identify that which song is playing and which is not playing. So you can play multiple video songs. So this is the benefit of that. So friends, I think it is enough for today. So if you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that the notification of my new videos will show to the notification bar of mobile phones. So thank you very much, friends, dear friends. Keep watching, friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.